What if our closest celestial neighbor, the moon, holds mysteries far stranger than we've ever been told? What if beneath its familiar, cratered surface lie anomalies, bizarre events, and inconvenient truths that challenge mainstream science and history? In this video, we're shining a spotlight on 10 astonishing facts and theories about the moon that often get overlooked or deliberately downplayed. From its impossible origins and strange movements to bizarre structures and unexplained signals, get ready to question everything you thought you knew about Earth's loyal companion. And trust me, the #1 revelation about the moon's true nature will make you rethink its very existence. You're about to explore astronomical puzzles, geological enigmas, and peculiar observations that leave scientists scratching their heads. Can you imagine a moon that rings like a bell? Stick around, because I'm going to reveal how the moon's interior behaves in a truly inexplicable way. Before we orbit these lunar enigmas, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, share this with a friend who loves cosmic mysteries. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more mind-bending content from 360 worlds. And I want to hear from you. Which of these lunar secrets do you find the most compelling? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. 10. The moon's impossible origin. Too big, too far. Why is our moon so exceptionally large compared to its parent planet? Imagine a moon so disproportionately massive for its size that its very existence defies conventional planetary formation theories. The moon's origin is a baffling puzzle for scientists. The leading giant impact hypothesis still struggles to fully explain its unique size, orbital characteristics, and precise chemical composition, making it an astronomical anomaly. How did we end up with such a huge moon? The prevailing scientific theory, the giant impact hypothesis, suggests that the moon formed from the debris ejected into orbit after a Mars-sized protoplanet named Dea collided with early Earth. While this theory explains many aspects, it still faces challenges. For instance, the moon's composition is remarkably similar to Earth's mantle, which implies the impactor itself must have been almost identical to Earth, a highly unlikely scenario. Furthermore, models struggled to explain the moon's current angular momentum and its perfectly circular orbit. Alternative theories, like co-formation or capture, face even greater hurdles. The moon's unique characteristics make its birth one of the most persistent and hard-to-explain mysteries in planetary science. Our giant cosmic companion, an improbable birth. What do you think is the real story of the moon's creation? Let me know in the comments. And brace yourself, because our next secret reveals a bizarre phenomenon about its internal structure. 9. The moon rings like a bell, a hollow anomaly. Imagine a celestial body that, when struck, vibrates for hours like a giant gong. After the Apollo missions intentionally crashed lunar modules and rocket stages onto the moon's surface, seismometers placed by astronauts recorded something astonishing. The moon rang like a bell for extended periods, sometimes for over an hour. This isn't what you'd expect from a solid, rocky body. It suggests the moon might be hollow, or at least far less dense than previously assumed. A truly baffling anomaly. How can a planet-sized object resonate for so long? During the Apollo 12 mission in 1969, astronauts intentionally sent the lunar module ascent stage, crashing back onto the moon. The seismometers recorded vibrations that gradually increased in amplitude for about 8 minutes, then slowly died out over an hour. This was far longer and stranger than expected for a solid, rocky body, which would typically dampen vibrations quickly. Scientists dubbed this the moon ringed like a bell phenomenon. While most geophysicists interpret it as evidence of a highly fractured, dry lunar interior that transmits seismic waves differently than Earth, some fringe theories have taken it further, suggesting a partially hollow or even artificially constructed moon. Regardless of the interpretation, the extended vibrations remain a compelling mystery about the moon's unexpected internal structure and composition. A cosmic bell, ringing in the void. What secrets might its strange interior hold? Don't go anywhere. because our next mystery involves bizarre, shifting lights on its surface. 8. Transient lunar phenomena, unexplained flashes and light. Have you ever heard of strange, unexplained flashes and glows appearing on the moon's surface? Imagine astronomers, for centuries, observing fleeting lights, sudden bright, and inexplicable misty patches on the moon far too quickly for human activity or known geological events. These are transient lunar phenomena, enigmatic flashes of light and color that defy easy explanation, continuously baffling lunar scientists. What causes these mysterious lunar light shows? For over 1,000 years, professional and amateur astronomers have reported TLPs, from reddish glows and bright flashes in craters to misty or cloudy patches. While many can be attributed to meteoroid impacts, outgassing from the lunar interior, or even human observational errors, a significant number remain unexplained. Some TLPs are consistent and seem to occur in specific regions, hinting at geological activity that's not fully understood. Theories range from electrical discharges, solar wind interactions with lunar dust, or even trapped gases escaping from deep within the moon. Despite extensive documentation and even some photographic evidence, TLPs continue to be a perplexing challenge to our understanding of the moon's active processes, hinting at a more dynamic celestial body than we typically imagine. Mysterious flashes on the moon, observed for centuries. What forces are lighting up our cosmic neighbor? Up next, a chilling theory about an ancient object orbiting the moon. 7. The Black Knight Satellite, an alien watcher. Could an ancient, artificial satellite be silently orbiting the moon, observing Earth for thousands of years? Imagine that various historical figures, from Nikola Tesla to modern astronauts, have purportedly detected strange signals or seen an anomalous dark object in orbit, far older than any human-made satellite. This isn't just an urban legend. It's the Black Knight Satellite, a persistent conspiracy theory that suggests an extraterrestrial presence silently watches over us from lunar orbit. Is something out there watching us? The legend of the Black Knight Satellite dates back to 1899 when Nikola Tesla claimed to have intercepted radio signals from space. In the 1960s, a strange, dark object was reportedly photographed orbiting Earth, sparking renewed interest. While mainstream science attributes these observations to misidentified space junk, natural phenomena, or psychological interpretations, proponents of the Black Knight theory point to alleged unexplainable patterns in signals and its supposed ancient age. Some even claim astronauts have seen it. Though often debunked, the idea of an ancient alien object silently observing Earth from the cold expanse of space remains a captivating, albeit speculative, mystery that refuses to fully die out in the public imagination, touching on our deepest fears and hopes about extraterrestrial life. An ancient alien sentinel orbiting Earth. What secrets has it seen over millennia? Don't go anywhere, because our next mystery involves bizarre geometric structures on the lunar surface. 6. Lunar anomalies. Structures that shouldn't be there. Have you ever really scrutinized photos of the moon and noticed something out of place? Imagine colossal, perfectly geometric structures, towering spires, or even massive domes spotted in official NASA photographs of the lunar surface. Far too precise to be natural rock formations. These aren't just craters. They are lunar anomalies, baffling structures that some researchers claim are evidence of ancient alien activity or artificial construction on the moon, challenging NASA's official explanations. Could there be artificial structures on the moon? Since the early days of lunar photography, various researchers have pointed to apparent anomalies in NASA and other space agency images of the moon. These include the Blair, massive geometric domes, and seemingly regular patterns that defy geological explanation. While NASA and other scientists typically attribute these two tricks of light and shadow, pareidolia, or natural geological formations, the persistent and often highly detailed claims from independent researchers fuel a compelling debate. The existence of these out-of-place lunar features remains a source of intense speculation and controversy, prompting us to wonder if there's more than meets the eye on our celestial neighbor. Massive, artificial structures on the moon. What if our eyes aren't deceiving us? Coming up next, a bizarre phenomenon involving the moon's gravitational pull and Earth's 5, the moon's impossible synchronous rotation, always showing one face. Imagine a celestial dancer perfectly pirouetting in such a way that it always presents the same face to its partner, no matter where it is in its orbit. The moon's synchronous rotation, where it always shows us the same side, is often explained by tidal locking, but its uncanny precision and the initial conditions required for such perfect locking are more complex than commonly understood, hinting at a finely tuned cosmic ballet. How did the moon get into such a perfectly synchronized dance with Earth? The moon is tidally locked with Earth, meaning its rotation period is exactly equal to its orbital period, always showing us the same face. This phenomenon is caused by the gravitational interaction between two celestial bodies over billions of years, where the larger body creates tidal bulges on the smaller body, slowing its rotation until it matches its orbital period. While common in the universe, the moon's nearly perfect synchronous rotation is a testament to the immense tidal forces at play in the vast stretches of cosmic time. What makes it somewhat baffling for some is the incredible stability and precision of this lock, leading to questions about the initial conditions of its formation and orbit, and whether any external factors might have influenced it. It's a reminder of the subtle yet powerful gravitational dance governing our solar system, a perfectly synchronized cosmic dancer. What subtle forces ensure this perpetual show? Don't go anywhere, because our next mystery involves strange, dark spots on the moon that aren't craters. 4. Lunar miscons, invisible gravity anomalies. What if there are massive, invisible concentrations of mass hidden beneath the moon's surface, creating strange gravitational distortions that affect orbiting spacecraft? Imagine flying a probe over the moon only for its orbit to suddenly dip or accelerate, revealing the presence of hidden, dense regions deep below the lunar crust. These are lunar mascons, gravitational anomalies that mystified early lunar missions and whose precise formation mechanisms remain a topic of intense scientific debate. What caused these mysterious invisible giants? Lunar mascons were first discovered in 1968 by NASA scientists tracking the orbit of the Lunar Orbiter spacecraft. They noticed unexpected accelerations and decelerations as the spacecraft passed over certain circular basins, particularly the Large Maria. This indicated localized regions of significantly higher gravity, suggesting large concentrations of mass beneath the surface. While most mascons are associated with large impact basins, their exact formation is still debated. Theories include the infilling of impact basins with dense lava or the uplift of dense mantle material following an impact. Their discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of the moon's internal structure and gravitational field, revealing hidden bumps and valleys in its gravity map unseen from the surface that continue to pose puzzles about its thermal and geological history. Invisible gravitational mountains and valleys. What other unseen forces shape our cosmic neighborhood? Now, prepare for the top 3, which delve into the most profound and unsettling secrets about the moon. The next one is about mysterious seismic activity. 3 moonquakes, the unexplained tremors. Could the moon be seismically active, experiencing quakes, but with no tectonic plates to explain them? Imagine a celestial body registering thousands of tremors each year, some deep within its interior, others triggered by tidal forces, yet lacking the Earth-like plate tectonics that cause most quakes. These are moonquakes recorded by Apollo, and their varied origins and mechanisms remain a perplexing mystery to lunar geologists. What truly causes the moon to shake? Apollo astronauts left seismometers on the lunar surface during their missions, which recorded thousands of 1969 and 1977. Scientists categorized them into several types: deep, shallow thermal moonquakes and meteoroid impacts. The shallow moonquakes, in particular, are baffling due to their power and lack of clear cause. As the moon lacks Earth's shifting tectonic plates, their precise mechanisms and whether they indicate a more active lunar interior than previously thought continue to be a subject of intense research and debate. hinting at hidden forces beneath the lunar crust. The moon is shaking, but why? It's like a cosmic riddle from deep within. Up next, a chilling theory about how the moon might affect human life beyond just tides. 2. The moon's just right distance and size? A cosmic coincidence? What if the moon's incredibly precise size and distance from Earth are not just a cosmic coincidence, but are almost suspiciously perfect for supporting life and enabling scientific discovery? Imagine our moon perfectly sized and distanced to stabilize Earth's axial tilt, create predictable tides, and even perfectly eclipse the sun. Phenomena crucial for complex life and astronomical observation. This isn't just luck. It's just right characteristics lead some to speculate about a deliberate cosmic design. Is the moon a happy accident or something more? The moon plays a disproportionately significant role in making Earth habitable. Its large size and gravitational pull stabilize Earth's axial tilt, preventing dramatic climate swings that would make complex life impossible. It also creates tides, which are thought to have played a role in the evolution of life from sea to land. Perhaps most remarkable is the cosmic coincidence that the moon is precisely the right size and distance from Earth to perfectly obscure the sun during a total solar eclipse. This unique alignment has provided invaluable opportunities for scientific discovery, allowing us to study the sun's corona and confirm theories of general relativity. While mainstream science attributes these coincidences to the vastness of the universe and the unlikelihood of intelligent observers, the astonishing fitness of the moon for life and science continues to inspire wonder and, for some, hints at a deeper, unexplained design or purpose, a cosmic design, or just incredible luck. It truly makes you appreciate our unique celestial companion. And now, for the number one truth about the moon that will make you question its very presence in our sky. This is the one that changes everything. 1. The moon's titanium anomaly. Too much, too weird. What if the moon contains an astonishing amount of a rare, heavy metal that simply shouldn't be there in such quantities, defying all known models of lunar formation? Imagine samples brought back by Apollo missions, revealing an unbelievably high concentration of titanium, a metal typically found deep within rocky planets, far exceeding what's expected for its size and formation theories. This isn't just a geological oddity, it's the moon's titanium anomaly, a profound secret about its composition that remains one of its most baffling unsolved puzzles, leading some to speculate about truly extraordinary origins. Where did all that titanium come from? Analysis of lunar rock samples brought back by Apollo missions, particularly from the Maria, revealed surprisingly high concentrations of titania, especially in the form of ilmenite. Some areas contain up to 10% titanium by weight, which is far higher than most rocks on Earth. This titanium anomaly is puzzling because titanium is a relatively heavy element, and standard planetary differentiation models predict that heavier elements should sink to the core during a planet's formation. For the moon, which is thought to have formed largely from Earth's mantle debris, such an abundance on or near the surface is highly unusual. While scientists propose complex geological processes like repeated overturns of the lunar mantle or specific volcanic eruptions to explain it, the sheer quantity and distribution of titanium remain a significant challenge to the giant impact hypothesis and other formation models, leaving its presence a profound and largely unexplained secret about the moon's true composition. An impossible amount of titanium in the moon, it truly makes you wonder about its real origin. If these mind-boggling truths about the moon left you speechless, then you absolutely have to check out our next video right here, where we explore even more bizarre astronomical phenomena that defy current scientific understanding. You won't want to miss it. And remember, if you only scrolled to the end of this video, you missed out on the chilling mystery of the Black Knight satellite and the strange lunar mascons. Definitely go back and watch those parts. Before you go, hit that like button one last time, share this video with anyone who loves to gaze at the moon and wonder. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the 360 World community and let's keep exploring the cosmos' most astounding secrets together. Until next time.